Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and Hotbit. Now, Hotbit have actually promised that this year they will be listing some coins, especially small cap coins, and we believe Tectonic token definitely is going to be one of the top coins. Hotbit is going to list this year. Of course, Hotbit listing Tectonic token will definitely help this coin to grow. One important thing about Hotbit is that they always list more coins. They list coins earlier than Binance and Coinbase. They even list coins earlier most time than Get.io and Kucoin. You discover that a lot of people have been using Hotbit to buy small cap coin earlier. When Shiba Inu started pumping late 2020, you discover that Shiba Inu, a lot of people actually bought Shiba Inu on Hotbit, Get.io and Kucoin, especially Hotbit and L-Bank. And these exchanges always list coins earlier than Binance and Coinbase. Now, I remember a friend of mine who actually bought Shiba Inu earlier. He made a lot of money. By the time Coinbase and Binance now listed Shiba Inu, a lot of people started buying Shiba Inu. He really made a lot. So that's one important thing I love about Hotbit. They have that audience. So many people like them. So many people want to use them because they believe with their Hotbit they can buy coin earlier than other crypto exchanges when they be listing it. And when this exchange listed, you will have bought it earlier. There's a possibility you'll be making almost 100 to 500% of your investment already. That's one thing I love about it, and I hope that Hotbit can list Tectonic token. Now we have VPN Finance, we have Crypto.com, we also have Candy City, and I hope to see that Tectonic token in 2023 we definitely delete between 1 or 2 zeros. That is what we want to see in this year, and I hope to see Hotbit listing this coin. I hope that this year is going to be a year of bullish for crypto industry, because if Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, BNB can be increasing in price this year, definitely we'll be seeing other crypto coins also bumping and increasing in price. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.